I'm Claire and I am joined today by
Kaysha.
Kaysha. Kaysha's my niece. She's a dancer. Where do you dance, Kaysha?
NRG.
NRG, that's in Melton here in Victoria. She started dancing with me when I ran a school. Kaysha was my little champion. What's your favourite style of dance?
Probably contemporary.
Me too. Kaysha likes contemporary for the same reason I like contemporary, because she's an actress who likes to break the rules. Kaysha's going to be joining me on Dance Geek once a month, we'll start with. We're going to have a new show monthly called The Secret Life of Tweens. Intro. So something I hear a lot from other dance teachers and see a lot on the dance teachers page is because we dance teachers, we have pages where we all sit and chat to each other from all around the world. It's very exciting. But you know, us dance teachers, even young dance teachers, are much older than tween ages. Kaysha, how old are you?
12.
12, yes. This is an interesting age group to teach. We talk about your age group a lot. Because you guys are at a really difficult time in your lives. It's like you're not a kid anymore, but you're not a teenager yet. That's why the tween. So tweens are generally like your 10 to 12, 10, 11, 12s. Some very, very precocious 9-year-olds. You were a tweenager when you were like 8. So Kaysha's here to help explain the world of the tweenager, because we dance teachers on a lot of the social pages, we talk about like what are they talking about, what do they mean, what are kids into nowadays, and we want to try to understand you, not in that really annoying daggy adult way where we try to be like you, but she knows. Don't cringe at me, it makes me feel old and gross. So each episode, Kaysha is going to educate me and all the other dance teachers on things that tweens are into. Now, these are not necessarily things that you're into, are they? Because a lot of the things that tweens are generally into, Kaysha's like, I don't like it. And I'm like, yes, but it's not about you. You're like our spy, but in a good way.
Okay.
A good spy. And Kaysha's going to be sharing with us, what did we decide? You're going to be sharing a dance move,
Language.
and then some kind of entertainment, so like a TV show or a movie or a song or like a band or some kind of YouTube channel that the kids are really into. And then the fourth thing we'll be going over is something that we just know, something that is out, completely out. At our family's holiday together at Ocean Grove, which is down on the beach in Victoria, and it's beautiful. We're sitting in the playground, as you can see, and we'll probably do little different shots from different parts of the playground. Kaysha's brother Teal is behind the camera. He's our cinematographer for today, and he assures me that this is framed beautifully. So if we're sitting here and you're only seeing half of my head, then you can blame the 10-year-old behind the camera.
It's 9.
He's 9. There you go. You can blame the 9-year-old behind the camera. So this is a kids' production. We are filmed and the content is all done by
Kids
today. And we're going to learn. We adults are going to learn. That's what Dance Geek is all about. You never stop learning, and we can learn from our students. We can learn from kids. So, we've just reframed because there's a vast difference in size between young 12-y and
21.
old 21. Thank you, Tealy. I'm not old.
Compared to me, you are.
Well, yeah, compared to you, I am. Alright, so what language are you going to teach us today? What term are you going to teach us so I can be cool? Not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom.
So not like a regular mom, I'm a cool mom.
What are you going to teach us today?
Shaka's bra.
Pardon? Whose bra? Who? I don't even know. Something about a bra? Shakira's bra?
No.
So what is it? Say it again.
Shaka's bra.
Shaka's bra. Alright, I'm going to find out how to spell that properly and put it on the screen. Shaka's bra, and you do that. Alright, so everyone of my generation is just going, oh, I know the hand gesture. So when I was kids, I was only one child, I wasn't 3 children. When I was a kid, we used to do that, and it meant hang loose or ridgy-didge or, you know, that sort of stuff, which meant it was Hawaiian surfy kind of thing, and it kind of just means like, oh, that's really cool, that's really chill and awesome. Is that what Shaka's bra mean? Does that still mean the same stuff? This is such a silly thing. What does Shaka's bra mean?
It's basically like hi.
Hey.
It's a gesture. Basically.
So you'd go to school and go, hey, Shaka's bra, to say hi to someone.
Yeah.
Are we talking about an actual bra?
No.
No. Okay, so what? You're gonna have to explain that part to me.
Like bra is like bro. Hey.
Ah.
That type of
Your feet
bro.
still Teal. Bro. So it's like bro, but not. Okay. Yes. Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
When I do this, hey, bro. Hey, bro. Does that make you cringe? Are you like, can you stop doing that, please, old person?
Yeah.
I can see it in your face. Kaysha's so polite. She's like the sweetest kid, and she'd never be nasty to me. But sometimes when we've been planning this, the looks you give me, she's like, yeah, all right. Sure, Auntie Claire. And I can tell she's judging me. So, there you go. That's our new one. Shaka's bra. I feel so silly saying that. Can you imagine all these dance teachers are going to go to their classes and like they'll be there in their, all stiff upper lip, lovely, lovely, and then you'll just turn around to your students and go, hey, Shaka's bra. That's going to be amazing. Can you guys please do that? Especially the ballet teachers. Ballet teachers, oh my goodness, yes, you guys totally need to be getting into class here. Shaka's bra. Entertainment, Kaysha. What entertainment are the young kiddies into nowadays?
There's Logan Paul and Jake Paul and Team 10.
So I know where this is from because I'm a YouTuber. So they're YouTube channels, aren't they? They're YouTubers. Yeah. And I know Logan Paul because he was that idiot who filmed a dead body.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't. Show a bit of respect, you dope. I was going to say a swear word then, but not on my channel. But pretend I swore because that's how angry I was about that. So there's Paul Logan and Paul Joshua.
Jake.
But they've got the same. Hang on. So what's their last name? No, their last name. Don't giggle, Teal. Cinematographers don't giggle because then the camera giggles. Shh. So okay, sorry. So what are their names?
Jake Paul and Logan Paul. Not
Logan Paul.
the other way around.
Right. Their Paul is their last name.
Yes.
Okay. And what's Team 10?
A group of YouTubers that weren't successful, and now that Jake Paul has helped them, now that they're successful now.
Right. So did Jake Paul have a big following?
I think so, yeah.
Is this one of those things that you're not really into?
Yes.
Okay, right. So disclaimer, Kaysha herself doesn't follow Team 10 or any of the Paul brothers. All right, so what do? They make
music videos.
Oh, like actual singing?
Kind of.
Okay, that's Kaysha's judgy face, which means that in her mind they're not actually very good singers or musos. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah, she's just trying to be nice. All right, so Team 10, are they all singers? Do they all just do music? Or
No.
because what I've noticed about stuff that young kids watch on YouTube is a lot of the time it's pranks or challenges.
Yep, most pranks, yeah.
Pranks, they do all the challenge stuff.
Yep.
All right, so Team 10. So do you don't watch it,
No.
but the kids at school do?
Yeah.
And do they talk about it a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do they like about it? What do you think it is that makes that interesting for...
I think it's just like the challenges that they're doing. They think it's funny, and they laugh at it.
Okay, well, that's fair enough. We had a show in the 90s, this is a kind of a swear word, Jackass, or if you're American, Jackass, and it was a group of guys that did pranks on each other and on other people, and they were a little bit stupid. So the music, though, from a dance perspective, is the music that Team 10 produce, is that stuff that dance teachers... like that? No. That's a hard no from the Kaysha. So it's not something that teachers should really go and look at to use for...
No.
No. Do they swear?
Yes.
Oh, all right. Yeah. Well, then no. No. Keep it clean. Keep it clean. If anyone has any questions about this sort of stuff, please chuck them in the comments and I will pass them on to Kaysha. I will be useless at answering them, just because I've never heard of Team 10. I'm assuming there's 10 of them.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
is.
Are there any girls in it, or is it just a whole bunch of boys being
It's
idiots?
girls as
Okay.
well.
Cool. More than one girl?
Yes.
Oh, that's all right then. Equal opportunity. Girl power. All right. We're going to change location, meaning we're going to stand up because Kaysha's going to teach us a dance move. The student becomes the teacher.
Yes.
Let's do it. Like in our day, we had the running man, we had the sprinkler. Back in the 70s, they did the bus stop. Back before that, there was the Pride of Erin. What step are you going to teach us today?
The floss.
The floss.
Not the dental floss.
Fairy floss?
No.
Alright, the floss. Now, I've seen people doing this and there seems to be a thing of doing it really fast, but please don't teach me fast to start with. Alright, show us the floss. So,
Okay,
you show me first. Go. The most ridiculous. You know it looks like you're flossing your bum.
Yeah.
Okay, just checking, Alright, so we might get Teal to pan out a bit. Can you see us in full?
Yep.
You can see our feet,
No.
our knees.
I can see your feet now.
Okay, cool. Can you see our heads?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright.
Definitely.
So, which way are we going first?
That way.
Alright, so we're going to reach.
Can we reach forward?
So we're going to reach our arms out this way. And then pull. Woo! Yep, is that right?
Yep.
Yep. Do that. Yep. Move around.
We'll do the same thing.
So, hips and hands are in opposition.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So when our hands are out, our butt is back. We pull forward. Change.
And then we change
My
it.
hip just cracked. I'm too old for the floss. And then again. This is kind of fun. We do it fast. Oh my gosh, did you hear my hips just pop then? No, I've lost it. No, got it. Yep.
Do you want to do it backwards?
No, not at all. But okay, yes, let's do it backwards. Okay, that just looks ridiculous. So wait, is that with your hands going with you?
Yeah.
No, that's ridiculous.
They call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic.
The floss. Shaka's bra. Alright, so that's all we've got for today. Oh no, we've got to tell them what's out. So what was very big but is now out
Oh,
that adults need to know about?
One Direction.
One Direction. That was phenomenally huge for such a long time. Why are they out?
Because they've broken up.
That'll do it. But they do solo careers, don't they? Most
Yeah.
of them. Because I do
All
like
of them.
Zayn. I don't know his music, but I like him. He's cute. Do they all? So is it cool to like their solo music? So like if a teacher comes into a jazz class with one of their solo music, that's okay. But if you played That's What Makes You Beautiful, that'd be daggy.
Yeah.
All right, so no One Direction, but you can do One Direction solo stuff. There you go. Thank you for educating us, Kaysha. We're going to play on the swings. It was supposed to be me on the swing, but my bum got the fit.
I did.